Welcome to FDP Connect. I am logging in as exporter. If the importer needs the tracking of the cargo, the exporter can simply add the desired email ID along with the BL number and select the shipping lines to get 11 different triggers of activities. There are different invoicing and packing list forms as seen. Now diving into commercial invoice, it has various validations necessary for enterprise transactions. There are two ways in which any of the document can be signed: uploading the image and electronically signing it, or digitally signing using the DSC. You can also mark the payment entry for the given invoice. You can add the invoice to the document set. A document set can have other documents, and this is the place where the real magic happens. Here you can file for insurance certificate, EBRC. The parent file is designed with the approach of write once, deploy many. Exporters can file for eSeal. Exporter can share or generate checklist or approve it for CHAs. This file can be downloaded and straight away uploaded into the ICEGATE portal. You can file certificate of origin from FDP Connect, add other documents as desired.